Hello and welcome to Rise Size YouTube channel. My name is Milon. Today I'm going to discuss one of the most important article from today's Hindu newspaper. Let's see the article at first. Telegram challenge once again puts spotlight on section 69A of IT Act. This particular article occurred in today's The Hindu newspaper due to Telegram authority challenges the government decision regarding the ban on Telegram, right? So let's go through the POIQ. What is the importance of the POIQ? We'll discuss. So question number 40. Let's see the question number 40. Statement 1. Supreme Court of India has held in some judgment that the reservation policy is made under Article 16(4) of the Constitution. Here theme is Article 16(4) regarding the Supreme Court judgment, and also we will know shortly कि Section 69 of IT Act directly related to our Article 19, and here we also know some important Supreme Court judgment. That's why this will be important for upcoming prelims 2027. We'll know each and every point in details. I have already read the article and identify all those important points, and all those important points are in colored as you can see. ठीक है, अब कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है? देखिए कॉन्टेक्स्ट ये है कि we know some days ago NEET examination was cancelled and government was heavily criticized by others कि why paper leaks was happened infrequently, and then government decided कि okay we will re-examine the exam, but before scheduled or conducting the exam, NEET exam, they try to put ban on Telegram due to स्प्रेडिंग नेचर ऑफ द टेलीग्राम, बिकॉज टेलीग्राम एक ऐसा एक चैनल है जहां पर जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है क्विकली स्प्रेड होता है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. ना यूनियन गवर्नमेंट रिसेंटली डायरेक्टेड द ब्लॉकिंग ऑफ द टेलीग्राम अंडर सेक्शन 69A ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट 2000, सिटिंग कंसर्न्स ओवर द नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एंड पब्लिक ऑर्डर. So what is the ground, on what basis government put blanket ban on Telegram? Ki national security and public order. So that is the ground. Telegram challenged the order before the Delhi High Court, arguing that it violates the freedom of speech and expression under Article 91A. That's why I put this POIQ specifically, because in this POIQ examiner try to highlight some issues which is regarding to reservation. So we can expect कि अगर रिजर्वेशन से अगर क्वेश्चन आ सकता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट के साथ, तो इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो एग्जामिनर कैन पुट देयर क्वेश्चन ऑन freedom to speech and expression. Okay, so that's why we put this particular POIQ. Now coming to the next important point, we have to know in details about little about कि section 69A of the IT Act. देखिए एक्ट तो बहुत बड़ा है, बट वी हैव टू नो सम बेसिक्स. ओके, क्योंकि अगर आपका बेसिक्स सही रहेगा तो you can easily crack the question in actual exam environment. So what is the section 69? Now empowers the central government to block public access to online content, websites, apps and digital platforms. So इसमें क्या क्या है ना, apps है, websites है and digital platform. तो Telegram is put it can be you can assume it as an apps or digital platform because it is a digital platform for communication. Okay, so what is the grounds for blocking? Now sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of the state, that is directly mentioned in our context, friendly relation with the foreign states, public order, this is also mentioned in our context, and preventing incitement to cognizable offenses, right? Blocking orders must comply with the IT procedure and safeguards for blocking access to information by the public rules 2009. Okay, so this is the important some important points you have to keep remember. Now what is the constitutional provisions regarding Article 91A and Article 91G? As you can see, the Article 91A and 91G was directly appeared in today's The Hindu newspaper. So we have to know details about Article 91A. Article 91A, it talks about freedom of speech and expression. freedom of speech and expression. Article 91G, it talks about freedom of practice of any profession, right? Any profession or carry trade businesses including digital livelihoods. These rights are subject to reasonable restriction under Article 96. So what is Article 91A? Article 91A is all about talking about freedom of speech and expression, and Article 91G, it is all about talking about freedom to practice any profession. Okay. A freedom to practice any profession, it means why Article 91G came into the spotlight, because in Telegram many educators put their content for educating the platform for educating the students, ठीक है. तो इसीलिए कि जो लोग प्रैक्टिस करें टेलीग्राम पे, वी नो कि एज एन यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट वी ऑल नो कि टेलीग्राम हाउ मच टेलीग्राम इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर डे टू डे बेसिस, एंड दैट्स वाई आर्टिकल 91G is came into the spotlight. Here is another important point mentioned in the Hindu newspaper की section 79 of the IT Act, ठीक है. What is the section 79 of the IT Act? Now provides immunity to intermediaries from liability for third party content. What is the third party content? Let's see. This is the Google, right? We know all about what is Google. Google is a search engine. Now Google एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है. Now there is a एक थर्ड पार्टी, मान लीजिए एक ए है, ये कंटेंट डाला है गूगल पे, ठीक है, जो कि वायोलेट्स करते हैं कि हमारे इंडिया की जो सोवरेनिटी सिक्योरिटी है, इसको वायोलेट करता है. तो दिस इज द इसको कहते हैं कि थर्ड पार्टी कंटेंट. ना इम्यूनिटी इज अवेलेबल ओनली इफ इंटरमीडिएटरीज एक्सरसाइज ड्यू डिलीजेंस. व्हाट इज द ड्यू डिलीजेंस? ड्यू डिलीजेंस इसका मतलब ये होता है कि हाँ, अगर गूगल पे ऐसे डाला है और गवर्नमेंट की कॉन्सर्न्स रेज किया है तो गूगल को एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना. कंप्लाई विद IT रूल्स 2021, रिमूव और डिसेबल अनलॉफुल कंटेंट अपॉन रिसीविंग वैलिड लीगल नोटिस. इसी को कहते हैं कि ड्यू डिलीजेंस. यहाँ पे एक इंपॉर्टेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट है जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अनुराधा भासिन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. The Supreme Court examined the validity of the indefinite blanket ban on the internet service in the erstwhile state of the Jammu and Kashmir, and the court held that freedom of the speech and expression as well as the freedom to practice any profession or carry on any trade, business, occupation over the internet. ठीक है. So these all are the important data facts regarding our IT Act. ठीक है. अब इन्होंने क्या कहा कि इंटरनेट रेस्ट्रिक्शन मस्ट सेटिस्फाई द टेस्ट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी. दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कीवर्ड. यू हैव टू पुट दिस टाइप ऑफ कीवर्ड्स एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ जजमेंट इन योर मेन्स आंसर टू फॉर योर आंसर एनरिचमेंट. ओके. बी नेसेसरी लिस्ट रेस्ट्रिक्टिव एंड सब्जेक्ट टू जुडिशियल रिव्यू. ठीक है. So these are the important points. Now here I put some important एक important MCQ दिया हुआ. Please try to practice it by pausing your video and then answer it. What is the answer? And put your answer in your comment box. So these all are the important articles and these all are the important information regarding our section 69 of the IT Act, which is again appeared in our today's Hindu newspaper. So you have to remember this all important point for upcoming prelims 2027. एंड बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस सेशन को अटेंड करने के लिए. और अगर ये कंटेंट आप लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ दोस्तों से शेयर कर दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच.